Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to borrow more on Monzo. Monzo is a great bank for people who want a flexible and convenient way to manage their money. One of the things that makes Monzo so great is that they offer overdrafts. This means that you can borrow money from your bank account, even if you don't have enough money in it. However, there are some things you need to know before you start borrowing money on Monzo. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is an overdraft? How do you get an overdraft? How much can you borrow on Monzo? What are the interest rates on Monzo overdrafts? What are the risks of borrowing on Monzo? How can you avoid paying interest on your Monzo overdraft? What is an overdraft? An overdraft is a loan from your bank that allows you to withdraw more money than you have in your account. When you overdraw your account, your bank will cover the difference between the amount you withdrew and the amount you had in your account. How do you get an overdraft? In order to get an overdraft, you need to have a Monzo current account. Once you have an account, you can apply for an overdraft online or through the Monzo app. How much can you borrow on Monzo? The amount of money you can borrow on Monzo depends on your individual circumstances. Monzo will assess your income, spending habits, and credit history to determine your borrowing limit. What are the interest rates on Monzo overdrafts? The interest rates on Monzo overdrafts vary depending on the amount you borrow and the length of time you take to repay it. However, the rates are generally competitive. What are the risks of borrowing on Monzo? There are few risks associated with borrowing on Monzo. First, you will need to pay interest on the amount you borrow. Second, if you don't repay your overdraft on time, you could be charged late fees or even default on your loan. How can you avoid paying interest on your Monzo overdraft? There are a few things you can do to avoid paying interest on your Monzo overdraft. First, you can make sure that you have enough money in your account to cover your expenses. Second, you can set up an overdraft buffer, which is a small amount of money that you keep in your account to cover unexpected expenses. Third, you can pay off your overdraft as soon as possible. Conclusion: borrowing money on Monzo can be a great way to cover unexpected expenses or to bridge a gap in your finances. However, it is important to be aware of the risks involved before you do so. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. I hope this script is helpful.